Bob, look at this. I finally finished my project. I call it the ultra frequency box. Another invention, David? You are always busy with your gadgets. What does this one do? It is very special. It sends messages using ultra high sound waves. The sound is very fast and very strong. Sound waves? Why do we need that? David, we live in 2026. Look at my phone. I have 5G. I have satellites. I can call anyone in the world. I know, Bob, but what if the satellites stop working? What if the cell phones fail? Don't be silly, Miller. That only happens in movies. Nobody needs your sound box. Put it in your pocket and go back to work. We have reports to finish. Maybe you are right. Hey, look at the postman. Is he sick? He looks terrible. Hello? Sir? Do you have the mail for the Miller project? Ah! He bit me my shoulder! Why did he do that? Reports no brains. Brains! Bob? Oh my God! It's a zombie! Everyone run! I need a weapon! I need a baseball bat! I am sorry, little tree. I need your help. Stay back! I must go home! I must save Anna and the kids! I must save Anna and the kids! I must call Anna. Bob was wrong. Everything is changing. No bars? No signal? Searching for network? No, the cell phones are dead. The satellites are down. I can't stay in the car. The traffic is too bad. I have to run.
No, please! This is a dead end!
There is no escape.
There's a horrible noise! They hate it! The high frequency! It hurts them! My invention, it really works!
Look, there is a man walking in the middle of the street, and the zombies are running away from him. Sir, that is impossible. Nobody can walk there. No, look, he has a small device in his hand. Soldiers, open the gate! That man has the only weapon that works. He is our priority number one. He is the hope of humanity.
Mr. Miller, you are the most important man in the world. Come with us.
Our best scientists are trying to fight this. But you found the answer. You must come to our laboratory and help us save the world. Not yet, General. My family, my wife Anna, my kids Lily and Mike, and my baby Henry, they are in our house. We must save them first. We are going there now, David. Pilot, full speed. There is my house. Look, the front door is open! Pilot, land on the grass! Anna, Lily, Mike, I'm home! I have an army! We're safe! Anna? No, please, no. No, not you! You can't be zombies! No! No, this isn't real! You can't be zombies! No!
David.
What?
David. David!
Zombie.
David, wake up!
No!
David, what is it?
Whew. It was just a dream.
That's it! No more zombie movies!
If you like this story, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments if you'd run or fight.